Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be discussing how to change page orientation in Microsoft Word. So if you've been finding it very difficult to switch between portrait and landscape layout, I'm here to show you today. It is very much easy. So to get started, as I've put it down here, head to the layout tab, click orientation and choose either portrait for vertical pages or landscape for wide horizontal layout. So let's get to it. So you come to your layout. All right, so from the layout, sorry, now this is the layout. Yeah, so from the layout, you click on orientation. Okay, so currently it is in portrait format. Is in portrait orientation. Then from here you can change it to landscape. As you can see, the orientation of the Word document has changed from portrait to landscape. It is perfect when you're working with charts, tables, or wide content. That is where landscape orientation comes into the picture, and it is quick and you know and simple layout control. So that is it on how to change page orientation in Word. If you like the video, do hit the subscribe button and like the video. Thank you.